How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. So first is you have to go to your settings application. Just go to WhatsApp. Now for Androids, you will see permissions there. And all you have to do for Android users, you will see permissions there. All you have to do is you just allow the WhatsApp to have a permission to your contact. So here you have to allow WhatsApp to have an access to your contacts. You must make sure that it is turned on. And here on the notification, make sure that you have allowed notifications to your application. And basically that is how you fix WhatsApp call unavailable. Now if it doesn't work, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated, or you can try to refresh or clear cache your WhatsApp application, or uninstall and install it again. And basically that is how you fix WhatsApp call unavailable. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.